Afternoon folks, we're down at Lightmoor and by the pool with the boardwalk that I've been told now is called Furnace Pool. I haven't been down this way for a while, so I just thought I'd have a nose about. The main part of the pool is behind the trees there, so let's carry on going. Like I say, this is Lightmoor in Telford. Pool on the right hand side of me, but it's all overgrown now with trees, as you can see. But here it opens up into a great big field here. Right. Just spotted a rabbit there. Just say, it's been a while since I've been up here at the Yarlock. I can see a coot over there. It's gone just behind that little bush. Right. I'll try and get down a bit closer through the bushes here, but I've only got a pair of shorts on. Don't fancy tearing my legs apart. I just heard that rabbit again. Like I say, I haven't been down this way for a while, and I've got no Benji with me today, so let's just have a look. He's gone behind them reeds again now, that moor end, not moor end, coot. And there's one there as well, look. Where's he gone? Can you see him moving there? Keeps going under the water. Alright, let's see if we can get a better look from around the other side. Look. Yeah, I've been told it's called Furnace Pool. I've never known it to have a name before, but what's this down there? It's cute there as well. Right. It's a big field, this. Going back a few years, when I used to walk down this way on a regular basis with my old dog Diane, we used to see quite a few rabbits here. I think where we stood was going to be the best view of the pool, because from what I can remember down this way, there's no access as such. Can you hear the stuff jangling about in my rucksack? Oh. That's where some of the water comes from, down here, look. I'm not sure where that comes from. But as you can see, it's quite overgrown this side as well. And it's awkward to get through. But it's thick silty mud, so let's spin around and go back. Ooh. Right now, if you carry on up the bank, you come to another pool. Now that one I definitely don't know the name of. But it's very tricky, as you can see, to get a proper look at this one. So look down here. See, everywhere you look, there's trees around the edge. So you can't see. It's a shame. And as you can see, it's black and horrible around the edges. It's a shame. Can hear the coots calling. Whoever owns the pool has put the boardwalk round, as you've seen, but they haven't done anything with the trees, which is a shame. Can't remember the last time I walked down this way, to be honest. But just up there is the old railway line, and the other pools across there. I might go round up to that in a bit and have a look if they've cleared any of that. But this pathway brings you back to where I started. Yeah, look, you can see the boardwalk in front of me there. I'm going to have a sit on that bench for a minute or two, because before I got here I walked down to Ironbridge, and from home in Madeley down to Ironbridge, and then up through Coalbrookdale up here to Lightmoor. I've got myself some water with me, so I'm going to have a drink of water As I say, there's no Benji today, so I'll leave it at that, folks, and I'll catch you again soon. So he could be just up the road from here, so alright folks, bye for now. Afternoon folks, I'm back. I'm at Furnace Pool in Lightmoor still. Just thought I'd do a quick video of this. What sort of bird's that, folks? I had to zoom right in to get it. I don't know. It's got a white face like a coot, but it looks way too big. So I have no idea. Looks as though it could be sat on the nest. It's having a good old clean up anyway. Any ideas, folks? Alright, catch you again. Bye for now.